Hey guys, welcome back to my tech channel Tech Scaleup, and today we are going to make another unboxing of Audiophile IM, and this brand does not need any introduction. Brand is believe in let the music burn on and the opportunity and never give up. Before we going to unbox this Audiophile IM, I would like to wish you a very happy new year 2020, and I wish everybody is going to fulfill their dreams. So guys, without any further delay, let's start and unbox the product, which is I am talking about the Audiophile IM. Guys, let's start and unbox the product. Let me unbox this product to see what we have received from brand. So this is the product I have bought it. So if you see, this is the IM and the earpiece, and the brand is BLON, and if you see, this is mentioned 2014. So this doesn't mean this earpiece are designed in 2014. It means this brand was introduced in 2014, and I was talking about the brand is believe and let the music burn and the opportunity and never give up. So guys, I bought this product in 11/11 and the shopping was going on in China. So I bought it from AliExpress, and if you see this product, I bought in white steel, and there was another the color was available, which is light gun color, but I preferred this white steel color over light gun color. And if you see guys, the model is mentioned here BL03, which is from BLON product. And if you see the other the specification of earphone, it is mentioned comes with 3.5 mm connector, and it has 32 impedance in in audio, and this has frequency response from 20 to 20,000 kilohertz, and it comes with 1.2 the cable length, and this is what all is about mentioned here. So guys, let's see what physical content we have received inside the box. I'm assuming there is nothing much inside the big box other than these smart earpieces, and let's see and unbox the product. So let me just unbox the product very carefully. Okay, product is unboxed now. Let me show you what I have. Okay, let me open this. Okay, so here is okay, so let me open this. Guys, let me give you a closer look of beautiful earpiece, and this is one of the the BLON BL03 IMs has been sold out in 2019, and I would still recommend. This is one of the the audiophile for the serious home listeners who want to experience the balanced tone, and the secondary for the rock and pops. So guys, let me keep this aside for a minute, and we can see what we have received from within the box. Okay, so let me open this. Okay, so this is the pouch, and I am suspecting this is made of fiber cloth, and this is very much this feels very much good in hands. And keep your IMs inside this fiber cloth pouch very safely. So let's see what other things we have received inside the box. If you see, this is the one pair of earpiece, and we have received 4 pair of ear tips, and I would expect the quality of these ear tips are, crappy, I would say. I won't recommend to use these ear tips when you are going to start listen the audiophile music through these beautiful IMs. So I would recommend to go and change and buy the other brand like SpinFit, or the other whatever is comfortable in your ear, and as per the IM suitability. So I would definitely recommend and change these ear tips, and don't use these creepy ear tips anyhow with these IMs. So the other thing, we have received the cable, and I would say the first thing first, the cable quality is very bad. If you see closely, if I show you here, the cable quality is very thin, and this also required to be required change. But BLON has provided a microphone. This is one thing, if anyone is not having ready cable, they can use for some time, but I won't recommend to use this crappy cable, and definitely would recommend to go with other kind of the other brand cable from Linsol. So guys, please listen to me, don't trust anyone else who is saying this cable is good. I would recommend you to go and buy the cable from Linsol or from any other the vendor the available in the market, but don't use this crappy cable. So guys, if you see, and let me start with these tips, what I don't like. The first thing first here, if you see this 2-pin connector, this is very much exposed and not having any kind of durable material. This is some kind of say rubber, so this is not durable. I'm not sure how many times you can take you can plug in and plug out these tips, and they still remain in terms of durability is good. So the first point comes in my mind here. This is a point I'm talking, and I can see this is having some the fragile. So if company BLON is listening to me here, they need to make some kind of design which they can cover up this the same kind of material which they use to make a ear tip, so they can make more robust earpiece in terms of 2-pin connector. So guys, if you see this beautiful earpiece, and the first thing first comes in my mind, company had designed in a water drop shaped, and this looks very beautiful, very beautiful, and I will definitely recommend. And this is one of the earpiece has been sold out in maximum number in 2019. So still I would recommend who want to buy a cheapest I would say the cheapest chi-fi ear tips, and something they want a serious audiophile IMs even in 2020. I would recommend this definitely, but maybe some people don't like silver tone, a very bright color. Say okay, for color they can choose the other option which is mentioned here, light gun color. So there are options available in this ear tip, but with this earpiece I won't recommend this creepy cable. The another thing which I don't like in this earpiece, if I take out this ear tip, and if you see this nozzle, this is very short in shorter in size. So if you're going to change this this ear tip with any other kind of ear tip from other brand, so maybe this is not going to be suitable or maybe fit in your ear. So guys, maybe this is the another problem in this. This is made of zinc based alloy, and BLON has called Kirsite alloy, which is the lightest sheet, and definitely it is that is why the earpiece weight is also light. So, and when I see this earpiece, the build quality, I would say that way ahead of these creepy cable and the ear tips. These builds are very beautiful, and I would recommend definitely go and buy and check it out and share your views in the below comment section. So guys, from the build quality perspective, nutshell, I won't recommend this stock cable and the stock ear tips. So nutshell, you have when you have make your mind, you have to go and buy this BLON BL03 model. So guys, go and buy the another the cable. Don't use the stock cable, and definitely I wouldn't recommend these ear tips. You need to buy ear tips which is more comfortable in this nozzle, which is shorter in size. But definitely you need another cable. You can buy and check it from Nilsol or from AliExpress. So guys, in BLON BL03 model, you will get and have a 10 mm carbon diaphragm dynamic driver. So this is the single driver unit ear tip. So guys, if I talk about the price of this whole package, company has listed $30, but I bought it on 11/11, and I got a good deal, and I bought it in $20, so which is I would say the handsome deal. So guys, out of the box, this earphone was a Cinderella, and once you get this BLON 03, I would say that this is unparalleled in its class. In terms of total balance and the accuracy and the resolution in terms of sound. So guys, please subscribe to my channel Tech Scaleup for upcoming videos and the full experience of audiophile IMs and the technology unboxing and review. So guys, for now I am out.